Today I'm working on a 2012 Volkswagen Passat. Just thought I'd make a quick video talking about something I'm seeing here. This has the 2.5 liter 5-cylinder, pretty good motor, one of the more reliable Volkswagen motors from this time period, if not the most reliable in my opinion. They're not super, they're not real maintenance hogs. You don't have to be super anal about your oil change interval, stuff as much as you would on the 2-liter turbo. They don't quite see the same oil temperature as the 2-liter does, and being it's not turbocharged, it's a much lower stress motor, and has a larger oil capacity, so you can get away with stretching your interval a little bit, but this obviously was stretched a bit too far. So you can see there's quite a bit of buildup in here, and also the rockers themselves have a bunch of pitting on the friction surface on the rollers. And you can see damage to the camshaft lobes as well. This happens a lot of times from a car sitting for extended periods of time or doing very short driving cycles. Let's say you only drive it a couple miles and then you let it sit, and then a couple more miles and you let it sit. It never gets enough real heat to bake moisture out of the system. And those temperature variations cause water buildup on the top of the valve cover. So you see that sometimes, even if the car sat for a long period of time. But mostly what this thing needed was just better maintenance history. So it has 160,000 miles on it, so it has quite a few miles on it, and all the maintenance items have been kind of neglected on it. But yeah, so if you're going to do short trips often, crunch your oil change interval. If you only drive it a few miles a week, whatever, you don't drive the car often and never gets out on the highway, it just gets you to you're retired, you take it to church and back, or the party store and back, or whatever the case. You want to crunch your oil change interval. Do it once a year, even if you only put 1,000 miles on it, and just get fresh oil in it. So that's all. Thanks for watching.